have some playgrounds here, you see. And we also have some tables we can eat at. My dad also told me in our truck that they have a walking trail, and we can walk through it, and it's kind of creepy.
Creepy?
Yeah, because they have little branches that can creep you a little bit.
All right, let's check out this trail. Let's check out the playground. Let's see what kind of nature and wildlife we can find at Arnold City Park.
First,
say hi, Caden.
First, we are going to show you him.
Say hi, Caden.
His name is Caden.
He wants to say hi real bad, but he's not on purpose. There we go. All right, let's hit the trail. All right, which direction would you like to go, Connor?
Left.
Left?
Yes.
Oh, you see the lake?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go this way. If we go to the right, we can go around the lake and then we'll finish at the playground. Look how close you are to the water. That's super close. Can you see any fish in there? I'm on the lookout for any fish that jump out of the water. Did you read this sign? For your health and safety, do not feed geese and ducks. What do you see? Yeah. What's that say? The Jefferson County Wellness Walk. Oh, there must be signs like this throughout the trail for you to do certain exercises. This says do 5 lunges on each leg. Do you know how to do a lunge? Do just like the girl's doing in the picture. All right, ready? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. All right, moving on. Right now, this is a small lake in Arnold City Park. If we go over to our right and walk just a little bit, we will see the Merrimack River. Do 5 sit-ups? All right, try it out. All right, let's go. Do 5 sit-ups. Think you can do it. And go. Go. 1. I counted 1. 2. 3. 4?
Yeah.
1 more to go. 5. Nice job. All right, I'll dust you off and we'll continue on the path.
I don't need it,
Right.
a werewolf.
It did. I think maybe some people over here might have chickens. Might just be loud chickens. This looks like a swampy marsh over here. Looks like a runoff for the lake. Yep. What's Caden? Do you see anything on the path? I'm checking over here for wildlife. Deers, bunnies, squirrels, bats. Yeah. What'd you find, Connor? What'd you find? Stick? Yeah. What do you see? You see the lake?
Water.
Water?
Yep.
See any fish in there?
No.
No fish. Okay, you want to keep walking?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Let's go, buddy. See the leaves blowing in the wind? Yes, you do. Would you like to touch the water and see if it's cold, warm, or room temperature? Want to touch the water? Are you brave enough to touch the water with your pretend bow and arrow? All right, let's go up and touch it. Okay. Here, come right here. Right here. Here, you hold my hand. Put your stick down. Okay, go up and touch it very gently. Very gently. Take one more step. One more step. Oh, further. A little further.
I don't want to.
Further.
I don't want to.
Let me do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it's a little cold.
Don't
You didn't even do it.
Don't touch me.
Oh man.
Don't touch me.
Connor chickened out. He didn't want to touch the water. All right, let's go. Here we go. Yep, Connor's coming. What? Yeah. Come on.
I'm staying on the rock.
Look, Caden. Okay. What's it say? It says do 10 squat jumps. So you squat down and jump 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. All right, here we go.
See that?
Yep.
I got.
Oh, I saw some ducks.
Back and I threw it.
I saw some ducks crossing the trail path up here. And then I see some ducks in the water up here. All right, let's go a little bit quicker so we can catch up. Oh, Caden, did you hear them? Oh, Connor, hurry before we get to the ducks. There's an exercise. Hurry. This says, come on up. Take 5 deep breaths. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job.
What's this?
That wasn't a tough exercise. Take 5 deep breaths.
If I find a wildlife that's wild and it tries to attack me, I'll get a stick and pull like this and shoot at it.
I don't think anything's going to attack you out here. I think you're pretty safe. Wildlife are pretty harmless. Oh, here's ducks.
If I see something that screams at me,
Yeah?
I'll try and shoot it. If I miss, guess what?
Look, Caden, duckies. Oh, wow, look how close we are. Look, Connor, there's some in the water and some walking.
Oh yeah.
How many can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Yep, I counted 17 also. That one dipped his head underwater. He must have found some lunch. Or he's just cooling down.
I'll show you something.
Ooh, he popped out of the water. You see that?
That would be 18.
I think you were right. I think it was just 17.
Oh, wait, oh, there's 18. 3 more.
Oh, you found some more?
One more duck. I never found that other duck. There's
See the
18
ducks?
ducks.
What's a duck say, Caden?
There's 18 ducks, Caden.
Caden, what's a duck say? Good. All right. They might be looking for some fish in there. Think they're fishing?
I'm trying to look for wildlife to capture and eat.
Yeah, right. You're not capturing and eating any wildlife out here. Yeah.
All I like to eat is fried chicken.
Oh, you like to eat this fried chicken?
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Do I like fried chicken?
I love fried chicken.
I love chicken nuggets too.
I don't think we've ever had duck or goose.
I hate duck and goose.
You've never had it.
Oh yeah, I never. Well, I don't want to try it.
All right, Connor, another exercise. Give someone a high five or fist bump. Okay. Oh, you want it to be me? High five or fist bump? No, fist bump. Yeah. Nice. All right, here we go. Oh, hang on. Caden, you want high five or fist bump? High five. Good job. Yep.
Only walkie-talkie.
Yep.
Dad.
All right, set it down. That one's too big. You clearing the path? There's some more people over there playing frisbee golf, Connor, or disc golf.
You want one?
Oh, thank you. You can give one to your brother.
You want one, Katie?
Look at that massive tree that fell over.
The one.
Yeah.
I'm just pretending this is.
Caden, what do you see up here? I see a lot of trees and a lot of leaves falling off the branches.
Yeah.
There's a fork in the road, Connor. Do you know what a fork in the road means? It means when you get to a certain spot on the trail path, it veers off in 2 directions. So what's your choice, left or right?
Left.
Left? Okay. Caden, we're going left. What? Okay. Connor wanted to go left, so we'll go left. Okay. There's a hand poking out. Hello. Oh, yep. Hello.
We found some mistakes.
Alright, Cammy's awake. Hey, Cam. Okay, here we go. Look at those big trees that fell over.
I know.
Yeah. What? Oh, we gotta be careful up here. There's some water on the path. Hayden, say water. Be careful. All right, Connor, stay in the center of the path. Stay in the very middle of the path, Connor, so you don't get wet. Perfect.
Is that gross water? Does it smell like deer poop?
I don't think so. We just don't want to get wet. What? Yeah.
Does that smell like deer poop?
A little bit. We're getting pretty close to the end of the trail. What? Yeah. Yeah.
She's very indecisive. All right, come on, Stinky. Okay.
Okay, hop on. Ready.
I want you to do it very fast.
Oh, well, that's going to be a problem because I love to go fast. This is like a roller coaster.
I don't want you to go very, very fast.
Any last words?
No. Never. No.
Ready to go backwards?
No.
Any last words?
No. No.
How was it?
It was good. I want to do it
One
again. Again. Yeah. Yeah.
Look out!
This is the end of the trail, guys. See you in the next video. Guys, don't leave yet. You have to like and subscribe before you leave. Smash that like button. And also gotta smash that subscribe button too. See you in the next video. Bye. Yo.